Have you been waiting for a home to renovate or even been considering rebuilding on a superb block? Well, this property could be the right one for you. Having said that, this 4-bedroom home could also suit the first home buyer as it is in the perfect location. I love how quiet and wide the street is and the quality homes that surround, as well as the bird life that is present. The land parcel slightly slopes to the rear, and if you would like to build your dream residence, you could easily do that here and even rent out the home while you're waiting for your plans to be approved. The location is fantastic as you benefit from being within a walking distance to Tarrawanna shops, where you will enjoy all the benefits of that location. You also have the primary school just down the road, and Corrimal and Fairy Meadow shopping centres and the beach are just down the road. Welcome, I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency JD Property Agents, and I'd like to welcome you to 16 Wallace Road, Fernhill. Thank you for watching, bye for now, and I hope to see you at one of my open houses soon.